Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome to mathematics class. We are now on week 5 of fourth quarter, school year 2021 to 2022. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe and like, kindly hit the subscribe button and like button. Okay. So, again, welcome to our mathematics fourth quarter, week 5. Our topic for today is about measures temperature using thermometer in degrees Celsius. So at the end of this video, you're expected to read and measure temperature using a thermometer and degrees Celsius and solve routine problems involving temperature in real life situations and solve non-routine problems involving temperature in real life situation. Okay. So, what will I do? So, we have an activity here. So, read the temperature measure. So, ito yung temperature measure niya. Yan. What does the temperature measure? What is the normal body temperature? And what is the freezing point of a water? And what is boiling point of the water? Okay. And then we have activity number 2, the temperature of one COVID patient in 4 days. Were 39 degrees Celsius, 38, 38, 37. What was the average temperature? And we have activity 3. The level of liquid in a thermometer is 22 degrees Celsius. Lower down the boiling point of water. What is the thermometer reading? Okay. So let's do the activity number 1 first. Okay, there you go. So read the temperature measure. So for this one, 100 degrees Celsius, that's the water boils. And then we have this one hot day is 30 degrees Celsius. Water freezes or water freeze at 0 degrees Celsius. And the actual temperature is 39 degrees Celsius. And the normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Room temperature should be 20 degrees Celsius. And then a cold day is negative 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, those are the answer of the question in activity number 1. So let's have activity number 2. So activity number 2, the temperature of one COVID patient in 4 days for 39 degrees Celsius, 38, 38, 37. What was the average temperature? So to find the average, paano nga ba natin nahanap ang average ng isang number? So we will just only add all the given temperature. So we will just add 39, 38, 38, 37 is equals to 152 degrees Celsius. And after that, we will divide by the number kung ilan yung inad natin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be 4. So 152 divided by 4, that's going to be 38 degrees Celsius. Okay? So the answer is 38 degrees Celsius. Okay. So next one, we have activity number 3. And the level of a liquid in a thermometer is 22 degrees Celsius. Lower than the boiling point of water, what is the thermometer reading? So subtract 22 from the boiling point of water. So the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. So we will just subtract 22 from 100 degrees Celsius. So the answer is 78 degrees Celsius. So napakadali lang siya. We will just use the basic operation, subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, kung ano ba yung hinihingi ng ating natanong, nasagot dun sa ating question. So in terms of looking for the temperature, may numbers naman sa thermometer kung saan natin makita kung ano nga ba temperature siya. Okay? So we have this example. Ayan. So what's more to do? So record the temperature measure in degrees Celsius. Ayan. So this one, we have the first one. The answer is it's 19 degrees Celsius. Kasi ano, oh. So it's by 2. So kung titignan natin yung clear niya, dun siya sa 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's 18 degrees Celsius. Ayan. And then the other one, tignan natin kung saan nakatapat. So 0, 2, 4. So 4 degrees Celsius siya. Ayan. Then we have this one, 0, 2, 4, 5 dahil sa gitna siya. So 5 degrees Celsius. Ayan. Kung saan line siya nakatapat, 40, 42, 44. So 44 degrees Celsius. Ayan. And then 22 degrees Celsius. So hindi porket isang line lang is 21 na siya. So we have to make sure kung ilan ba yung lines na nasa gitna. Sometimes it's 2, sometimes 5, sometimes it's 1. So in this one, 20, 21, 22, 24, dapat to 25, di ba? So it means to say hindi one equivalent ng isang line. So let's start to do the number 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. So meaning one line is equivalent to 2. Kaya siya by 2s. Okay? So what's more to do? Ayan. So what is the new temperature if 32 degrees Celsius temperature rises by 5 degrees Celsius? So number 1, we will just add only 32 degrees Celsius by 5 degrees Celsius. So the answer is 37 degrees Celsius. Okay? And then we have number 2. If the temperature at 7 o'clock in the morning, which is 2.6, became 30 degrees, so what was the average temperature? So for this one, we will just add 25.6 plus 30, we have 55.6. So 55.6, we will just divide this number into 2. So 55.6 divided by 2, that's going to be 27.8 degrees Celsius. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Then we have number 3. David Ray's temperature this afternoon was 39. After taking his medicine, his temperature becomes 37.2. Did he get worse? So, noong nakaraan, 39 daw yung kanyang temperature. After niyang uminom ng gamot, nag-isang 37.2. Nag-ibang better or worse yung kanyang sakit, yung kanyang lagnat. Siyempre, siya ay gumaling kasi bumaba yung temperature niya. What was the change in the temperature? So ano ba yung temperature na bago? So we will just subtract 39 to minus 37.2. So the answer will be 1.8. Ito yung diferensya niya. Ito yung change na temperature, 1.8 degrees Celsius. Yan. So it's just basic operation lang. Subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Kung ano ba yung gagamitin yung operation. Okay? So always remember, class, that a thermometer is the instrument that measures temperature. The unit for measure for temperature is degrees Celsius. A thermometer consists of a glass attached to a glass tube with a number of scale. The number liquid in the bulb rises or drop, which change the temperature. Each space in the number scale represent 1 degree Celsius. The number below 0 are written a minus sign. To read the thermometer, find the level of the liquid of the mercury. To find the average, add all the given temperature, divide the sum by the number of the temperature given. Okay? So if you learned from this video, kindly hit like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.